Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all the history, all your previous history from your Google Chrome. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser here, and after that select those three dots on top of your right screen and go to history and click history again. And now if you want to delete individual history, just click that this option and click those three dots again and select remove from history. It will be removed. But if you want to delete all the data, history data, just go to delete browsing data. And now this window will pop up. After that, uncheck those two options, and from this time range option, click this option and select all time. And after that, select the delete data and your history will be removed forever. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.